So guys, today we'll do the review of Galaxy Buds Pro and the Audionic Signature N210. So let's get started. So guys, the winners of the last giveaway will be announced on Instagram, so stay tuned on Instagram and let's do the review of Galaxy Buds Pro. So in my testing, I have tested both of them. So both sound really very good, and it is surprising for me that a Bluetooth neckband of this cost sounds so good. So a neckband of this cost sounds really very good. So it just cost you about $15 to $20, and it sounds amazingly. I can't tell you because you haven't experienced it, so I will definitely recommend it. And the sound of this thing is good because of its ear tips, because its ear tips provide a very good seal. And on the other hand, the Galaxy Buds Pro, they are good. They are the best, you can say, Bluetooth earbuds, but as I've told you in my previous video, you can check it above, that I do have smaller ears, so I have tried all of the ear tips included in it, but none of them have provided me a good tight seal. And because of that, it could be the best earbuds, but the experience I got from them was the worst. So basically they didn't sounded as much good as they're hyped about. So the bass is really very good, but the bass what you will get from these is extremely good. So I will definitely recommend you this over this. So if you have any A type, it can be randomly used by anyone, because I'm sure that they're gonna fit anyone because of the ear tips included in it. And somehow I'm not sure that why Samsung is lacking in this issue, but they didn't provide me a good sound, so I won't recommend it. Obviously the sound was very clear, but obviously they didn't provide me a good tight seal in my ears, so because of that I couldn't have a good experience from them. And because of this, the active noise cancelling also sucked, and this made my whole experience a lot worse. So I will definitely return them back, and I will recommend you using them. Obviously this is a good, I'm not saying that they are the bad, I'm just saying that I had a bad experience with them because of their ear tips, which Samsung included in them. So they couldn't provide me a good tight seal, and it made the whole experience worse. And I could have experienced something good if the seal would have been good. So definitely I will recommend Samsung to look after for this issue, because it is a good pair of Bluetooth headset, or you can say that they are a good competitor to AirPods Pro, but due to the ear tips issue I couldn't get a good result from them. And obviously the sound is very clear, it can play up to 3 GHz, and the sound quality you will get from it is very rich, and you can also get a good quality of sound from them as well. And they sound even much better than them, and the bass these provide is extremely good. You will get a good rich amount of bass, and this will make your experience a lot better than the Buds Pro. Obviously they do have active noise cancelling in them, you can test them as well. And my experience with Signature N210 was extremely good as compared to the Buds Pro, and both of them are splash proof, so you can wear them in your workouts. But I will definitely recommend you trying these for the sound they deliver in that cost. So I definitely recommend you that you do get these and give them a try, because they do sound really very good, and the bass is extremely good if you are a bass guy. So in the price range they do provide you a very good sound in just $15 to $20. It depends on your region where you live and what the shipping cost will be. In my region I just bought them in approximately 2700 PKR, and I am very much satisfied with them as compared to the Buds Pro. So this was all about the review, and see you again in the next video. And I hope you would have liked the videos. Please do consider subscribing to our channel and support us. Thank you.